So I want to let you guys know that we have officially launched our US30 NAS 100 monthly subscriptions. If you guys go over to the site, you will see that. I know that I've had a number of you who reached out to me, whether it was DM, email, text, call, whatever it was, we have you covered, all right? I've thought about what was best for you all, and I lowered the fees for you guys to get connected. That way you can actually realize the gains that my other students have realized over the last 6-7 months, okay? You wanna make sure that you get on top, take advantage of this opportunity, okay? Because this right here is something that it doesn't happen all the time. These prices are not like promotional prices. These are our fixed prices. So you don't have to worry about the prices going up, but see how it can work out for you. You know, you never know. So a lot of you have been struggling in the market, trading on the US30 and the NAS 100, and you know, you're looking for a new way to get it. This is your chance, okay? This is your chance to get connected and learn my trading framework inside and out. It's a step-by-step process that you have to follow, okay? I have it set up where it's required that you, let's say it's recommended, I'll say, it's recommended that you watch the videos in the order that I have it laid out. But of course, I cannot force you to do anything against your will. If you do not want to do that, you can do whatever you want to do. However, I'm telling you, from someone who knows how to trade and someone who designed this framework, it will be in your best interest to follow the order that I laid it out in. Okay? Step by step. Listen, just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and as always, remember to remain and stay prayed in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right? Peace and blessings, everyone.